In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run three-way reconciliation in Clio Manage. This walkthrough will help you confidently match your trust bank statement with your Clio Trust Ledger and your client subledgers, which is essential for accuracy and compliance. Start by opening accounts from your main navigation. This is your hub for both operating and trust accounts, and where you'll begin the reconciliation process. Next, select the trust account you want to reconcile. If you manage multiple trust accounts, be sure you're picking the exact one that corresponds to the bank statement you have in front of you. Keeping the right account and statement paired will prevent mismatches later. Click Reconcile Account. This opens the reconciliation workspace and prepares Clio to compare your records with the bank's records for the period you're working on. Enter the bank statement details carefully, the beginning date and beginning balance, as well as the ending date and ending balance. The beginning balance should match the ending balance from your last reconciliation or the prior bank statement. Use the exact dates and amounts shown on your statement, including cents. If your bank shows a statement period like the first through the last day of the month, use those same dates here. Click Begin Reconciliation to have Clio calculate and display a balance comparison. You'll see the bank balance from your statement, the Clio account balance based on your recorded transactions through the ending date, and the difference. The goal is to get that difference to zero. If there's a discrepancy, it usually means there are uncleared transactions, timing differences, or entry errors to resolve. Click Next and follow the reconciliation steps on screen. Review outstanding transactions and mark items that cleared the bank during the statement period. Look for deposits in transit and checks or disbursements that have not yet cleared. Sort by date or amount to speed things up, and compare each item to your statement line by line. If you discover an incorrect date, amount, or a duplicate entry, open the original transaction, correct it, and then return to the reconciliation. Proceed steadily through the list until only legitimate outstanding items remain. Once the balances match and the difference reads zero, complete the reconciliation. Finalize the process so your records are locked in for that period. For best practice, save or export your three-way reconciliation report, which captures the bank reconciliation, the trust ledger balance, and the client ledger totals, and store it with your monthly records. And that's how to run three-way reconciliation in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.